Janara and everybody, very good morning. It's an educational video on long and short of class 3 of Shri Mahaprabhu's Public School, Prayagraj. Our school emphasizes on self-discipline, obedience and respect for all members of society. Welcome to all, my dear children. Something special awaits you each day. All you have to do is to recognize it and to make most of it. Be positive throughout the day and you will see that that day will be the best day of your life. Now let us study the chapter 3, long and short. Measurement of length. In olden days, people used to measure small lengths using their finger width, hand span, foot span and pace. Can you identify this unit, children? You can see in the first, the figure of hand is given. In the second picture, foot is given, and they have shown the elbow measurement. So, children, these measurements in the olden days when there was no unit, they used to measure with the parts of body only, the length of anything. So let us watch this video of mine to understand it more better way, and moreover you can also do this activity along with me. Watch it. Now what have you must have understood that in the olden days people were not having, there was no unit to measure the length of any object. So they used to use their parts of body to measure the length of any object. But what is the importance of measurement? Now why do we have this unit in our life now? So let us discuss that. What is measurement? Measurement is the action of measuring something, its size, length or amount. Now what things can we measure? We can measure all the things that we can see, even the smallest object we can measure, even the largest thing we can measure. So we can measure the things whatever around us, like almirah you can measure your rubber, your scale, your pencil, pen, your book, etc. Now why do we measure the things? We measure the things because they give us an accurate length and weight and thickness of an object. Measurement is an action of measuring something. It plays an important role in our lives as we need to measure many things from time to time. If we want to travel from one place to another, we need to know the total distance of that place. Then only you will choose the mode of transport. Suppose you want to go to the short distance, you will use cycle or you will take rickshaw, you will take auto. And if you have to go to the long distance, some place which is 500 kilometer away or more, then what you will use? You will either take train, you will either go by your own cars, etc. So it is very important. Now here are some non-standard measurement that I have already explained in the video. This is for you to learn hand span, cubit pace and foot measurement. Now I'll explain you about this in detail. Measures of length. We have learnt about non-standard units of length such as hand span, cubit pace, etc. A hand span is the distance from the tip of the finger to the tip of the little finger. Alright? And when the fingers are widespread. A cubit is the distance from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger when the hand is outstretched. As this unit varied from individual to individual, a need was felt for having standard unit and so meters was invented. That means, children, कि everybody has their own length of their palm. Some are having small, like you all are having small, your parents are having big palm. So length used to vary from person to person. So there was people felt that there should be a standard unit There should be a standard unit that all should follow it. So meter was invented. In many parts of the world, the units named below are used, and they were used also in our country until these were replaced by metric units after independence. As this is clear from the picture, 12 inches makes 1 foot, alright, and 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. Now length is usually used to measure the meters in almost all the countries. Longer distances are measured in kilometers, as I have explained it just now, and the smaller lengths are measured in centimeter. You can see in the picture also, like for measuring cloth we use tape, cloth tape, you can see in the picture also. Then for measuring if you want to measure your pencil or eraser, you will use the scale that you have, the ruler. And then for measuring the long distances, we have other measurements to measure. Now let's do this worksheet. Textbook, it is given in your textbook, 47th page. There is a girl, she is walking on the road. Now how you will use non-standard unit to measure this? Now first of all, you will measure the foot of this girl, 1 foot of this girl. You can see with a scale you can measure, or just take your finger, measure that, and then go one by one to it to measure. Alright, and then measure it, how many foot of her completes the distance, and write down there. Then in the second picture, you can see the bowls on the table. So how many are there? How many cups are there placed on the table? Now see the measurement. जस्ट आप अंदाज से उसका मेजरमेंट लीजिए फिंगर से, और उसके बाद पूरे फिंगर्स को प्लेस करते जाइए टेबल पे, आपको पता चलेगा कितने कप्स हैं. ये आप अपने आप करेंगे. हाउ मेनी पॉट्स कैन बी प्लेस्ड. अब आप पॉट्स का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे, फिंगर से कर लीजिए, अंदाज से कर लीजिए, और फिर उसके बाद